This is from section 6.4, Properties of Rectangles, Squares, and Rhombi. Problem 2, the got it, on page 377. It wants to know the measures of the numbered angles in rhombus PQRS. Well, a rhombus is a parallelogram, so we can use those properties to, the properties of a parallelogram to solve for the missing angles. The two properties that have to do with angles in a parallelogram are that opposite angles are congruent and consecutive angles are supplementary. But since we're talking about the entire parallelogram, 1 and 2 together are supplementary to angle 1, to the 104, angle Q. So let me get a thing here. So since a rhombus is a parallelogram, that means that angle, let's try that again, angle QPS is supplementary to angle Q, which means that 104 plus angle 1 plus angle 2 should all add up to 180, since 1 and 2 make up QPS. So if we subtract angle 1 plus angle 2, subtract 104, and you get 76. The other property of a parallelogram that we're going to need here is that the diagonal bisects the opposite angles. So that means that 1 and 2 are really the same measure, which means the measure of angle 1 and the measure of angle 2 are half of 76, which is 38. And since opposite angles are congruent, that makes them also equal to the measure of angle 3 and the measure of angle 4. So all four angles are congruent because opposite angles are congruent, so P and R are congruent, and they are bisected, which means 1, 2, 3, and 4 are all congruent.